The specialized transportation and crane industry is the backbone of our global infrastructure. These companies literally lift and move the world. They are the key component to the world's energy, construction, and even our sports entertainment. A career in this industry is rewarding, exciting, and even pays well.
We hire field people on a monthly basis. But you could look at the other side of the support functions. We are always looking for talented project coordinators. It may be that we're looking for designers to add to our engineering group, people who want to help with the training and the technology.
We haul anything that is extreme in size.
There's never a dull moment around here. There's something different every time.
Get to see a lot of neat things, meet a lot of good people.
This is a very large industry that is growing and continuing to grow, producing more and more jobs. We have positions from escorts, equipment assembly, engineers.
I am a certified crane operator. I run a 190-ton lead bear. I joined the Army as a heavy equipment operator, and part of that MOS was cranes, and I fell in love with it. It was something that I had to do it.
A typical day as a crane operator, you bounce around from site to site, which is really great. You get different types of challenges. Within the crane community, you have a huge camaraderie. We have a lot of fun working together.
You know, we come down and we get within inches of some of these antennas and different obstacles. You know, you got people in a basket and they're counting on you to get just in the right spot. That is exciting to me.
Typical day for us is you wake up sometimes around 4 o'clock in the morning, have a safety meeting and an organizational meeting with all your employees. Generally, we try to work from sun up to sundown, or 12 to 13 hours. Travel back to camp for the evening and get up and do it all again the next day. Most exciting part of the job is getting to be somewhere different and see lots of different things in different places.
So I actually was brought in as the compliance coordinator, and then I got a bigger sense of the company and all the ins and outs of it. So I kind of transferred into the technology piece. I have started to develop some of the marketing pieces that we use for our sales trade shows. We want to be forward thinkers and be innovative.
On an average day, I could be designing a rigging plan to move a transformer. And the next day, I could be designing frames for a telescope. This field is challenging in a way because you're never doing the same thing over and over again.
When I hear people say, I love this company, I love my job, I can't believe you are providing those benefits, that's my greatest reward, is knowing that people have actually found something that they can belong to.
It's amazing what, you know, an idea in your head can do. You design something on paper, and the satisfaction of actually seeing down the road, I mean, it's priceless.
The most exciting project that I've been a part of was 1.5 million pounds and 192 tires on the ground.
Everything is on a large scale. So after moving something that big, it's very rewarding. The people are very professional, and I've had many mentors throughout my career here that have taught me the ropes.
What I would say to somebody who has not been in this career is don't be afraid of it.
I put my application out there and I was just hoping for somebody to pick me up and give me a chance.
The jobs seem to get bigger and bigger. The items that we lift are getting heavier. So the crane industry is really much in need of crane operators.
Be very patient. It's going to take time. It doesn't happen overnight. You got to get experience. But if you come in with the right attitude and willing to learn something, people will be willing to help you out.
It is not easy. It's a challenging industry, but it's also really rewarding.
Today's crane and specialized transportation companies operate sophisticated million-dollar equipment and provide expert services to household name customers in the infrastructure, oil and gas, and petrochemicals industries. Depending on your location and experience level, salaries in the industry can range from $40,000 to over $100,000. Go to scranet.org, search for member companies in your area.